Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to create collage using Samsung Gallery app. Now, I've opened my Samsung Gallery app. I want to create a collage. So I'll click on the three dots at the top right corner over here. That's it. I have options: edit, select all, create, start slideshow. I click on create. Now I have two options here. I can create a new GIF or I can create a new collage. I choose collage. Here I can combine up to 6 images. So I click on collage. Now to select the 6 images I want to combine, let's say I want to combine this, and let's say this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on collage at the bottom here. And it's done. As you can see, this height has done it for me. I actually chose 5 images. I can now decide to choose the settings. I want to look at it. I want them to be placed like this, like this, like this. How do I want them to be placed? So I decide to choose the one I like. Now let's say this is the way I want it to be placed, and then I can share this. I can save it. I can even do some other things at the bottom here. Change the ratio, as you can see. I can also click on this to change the color of the lines. I can change the color of the lines. I can add more colors to it if I want. Let's say this is the color I want to choose. I can even change the shape of the edges, as you can see. Shape of the edges, the space between them. I can do this, and then I can share or save them. So if I decide to share, click on share, and then I can share to whoever. After having it saved, of course, then I can share to whoever I want to share to: WhatsApp, Files, Telegram, or whoever. And that's it. That is how to create a collage using Samsung Gallery. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to